Ignos is a company delivering smart factories as a service. We want to help customers make use of their data to achieve their goals in throughput of their manufacturing and also sustainability. We have a number of applications. A few examples are utilization, where we focus on throughputs on the machines and machine performance. We have tooling insights, where we can see how the machine is utilizing their tools. We have sustainability applications, where you can track the emissions and the power consumptions of each machine or asset. You can even track it down to each product you're manufacturing. It's important for us to be able to create new solutions and adapt the existing ones to meet the ever-changing market and to help our customers always be on top.
One of the biggest challenges in Ignos is that we need to handle data from different types of machines, different protocols, different data types, and we need to uniform them all to make them fit into our applications.
At Ignos, the focus is really quick time to value, and we do that by creating applications on top of Cognite Data Fusion.
We saw that it had the capacity to handle all the data types that we needed. It also came with a lot of built-in extractors that made it easy for us to connect additional resources that we hadn't handled before. Templatizing the data with Cognite Data Fusion lets ourselves decide to which extent we would like to transform the data within the platform before we connect our applications to them, and that means that we can deploy our applications a lot faster to our customers.
As we develop more advanced solutions and deploy it to many more clients, we know that Cognite Data Fusion will support our needs. It just scales.